हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू LRDA प्रेप। स्वागत है आप सबका टेस्ट योर ब्रेन पावर एपिसोड नंबर 5 सीरीज के अंदर। सो इन दिस पजल वी आर गोइंग टू कवर अ ब्यूटीफुल पजल ऑन path, counting the number of paths, right? This involve a wonderful concept that can help you in some logical reasoning set for sure, right? So each of you should definitely try this set. Now, before you look at the solution, please pause the video and try it by yourself, right? आप खुद से एक बार इस set को जरूर try कीजिए. Let's have a look at it now. Let's look at the solution of the set now. What does the set say? It says the figure below shows the plan of a town. So this is a whole plan of a town. The streets are at right angles to each other. So you can see that these are the streets, right? This is street, this is street, and both of these two streets are at right angle. This is also a street, right? And this is also a street. So both of the streets are at right angle, right? So streets are at right angle as shown in the figure. This is a rectangular path P is situated inside the town. So it's a rectangular path P which have a shortest running path, that is P, a diagonal road running through it, and that road is represented by P here. And there is also a prohibited region D in the town. This is a prohibited region. That means nobody can enter into this town. कोई भी इस town के अंदर, इस part of town के अंदर enter नहीं कर सकता है. Now Neelam rides her bicycle from her house at A to her club at C. Now Neelam को A से C जाना है via B. डायरेक्ट नहीं जाना है, A से C डायरेक्ट नहीं जाना है, A से C जाना है via B. That means A को पहले B पे आना पड़ेगा, नीलम को A से B आना पड़ेगा, and then B से C जाना है, right? Now we are supposed to find out the number of possible shortest path that she can choose is. The number of shortest possible path that she can choose is what? So कितने shortest possible path possible है नीलम के लिए A से C जाने के लिए via B. Now this concept involves your skills of permutation. How? Let's see that. So because Neelam को shortest possible path के through जाना, so this is confirmed that Neelam will first be coming from A to this point. Let's say this point is M to let's say this point N via diagonal, N से B आना पड़ेगा, and then B से C shortest possible path के through जाना पड़ेगा. Now see that guys. Let's talk about the concept first here. अगर नीलम को A से M जाना है तो कितने different ways हैं? Just to clear the complete concept with you, right? Let's do this part first. कि A से M आने के लिए you see that उसको दो horizontal road लेना पड़ेगा, and she can choose any of these two horizontal road, right? She can straight away choose these two horizontal road. She can come first down by one vertical road and then she choose two horizontal road. She can first go horizontal, then vertically down, then horizontal, and then vertical down. So there are number of ways, right? So what we do is, let's name the streets, right? Let's say that this is his first horizontal road. This is his second horizontal road. This is his first vertical road, and this is his second vertical road. Now, ये भी horizontal है तो इसको भी H1, H2 का नाम दो. This is also horizontal, so this is also H1, H2. This is vertical 1, this is vertical 2, this is also vertical 1, and this is vertical 2. Now observe it कि नीलम को point A से M की तरफ आना है. She can choose the path of H1. Now observe carefully. This tell you the whole concept. H1, H2, V1, V2. This is the one possible way. Then she can also go for H1, H1 से फिर V1, then H2, and then V2. There is also another way. What she can do is, she can straight away go first to vertical, then she can go H1 and then H2, right? And what else she can do? She can also go first H1, and what she can do is, she can go for V1, then H1, then H2, and then V2. पहले वो vertical V1, H1 जा सकती है, V1, then H1, then H2, and then V2, right? So these are the possible ways. Now, is there any other way? H1, H2, V1, V2. H1, V1, H2, V2. H1, V1, V2, H2. Yes. H1, V1, V2, and then H2. You see that these are the same route path. That means उसको जो distance travel करना पड़ेगा इन सभी cases में, those distances are same, right? Because सभी cases में दो horizontal units and दो vertical units वो travel कर रही है, and she is reaching at point M now. Now you see that, did you observe what actually you are doing in this case? You are basically arranging the letter of the word H1, H2, V1, and V2. If I ask you this permutation combination, how many how many words you can make using the letter of these words, and the letters are H1, H2, V1 and V2. आप ये चारों को आपस में कितने ways में arrange कर सकते हो? I'm sure all of you must know this basic concept of permutation. कि इन चारों को आपस में arrange करना है. This can be done in 4 factorial. And because these are the two horizontal lines, right? So horizontal lines are exactly identical, right? So this need to be divided by 2 factorial. Two vertical lines are also identical. This will also be divided by 2 factorial. Now this is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 4. This gives you 6 number of ways. And you see that these are the 6 number of ways, right? So don't treat H1 and H2 as a different. For example, if I say कि आपको actual में ये लिखा होना चाहिए था double H or double V. How many word you can make using the letter of this word? This would be 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2. Just to identify कि ये H1 है पहला horizontal unit और ये second horizontal unit है. I have mentioned it as H1 and H2, right? But then you can see that दोनों horizontals हैं. So basically दो horizontal और दो vertical उसको travel करना है. So there will be total 6 ways, and these are basically the arrangement of horizontal and vertical paths, right? So that means A से B को अगर मुझे number of shortest possible path count करने हैं जिसमें सभी में same distance travel हो रहा है, I can simply see how many words can be made using the letter of these words. I don't need to count it manually, right? उसमें time आपका काफी लग जाएगा. This is just for your explanation. Now I can use this concept to answer the whole question, right? पूरे question को अभी इसी concept को use करके आप कैसे answer कर सकते हैं? Just take a screenshot if you want to take it, right? This is the whole concept of the set. इसी पूरे concept के ऊपर ये पूरा set based है, right? Now see that. How can you do it now? Now see that Neelam rides her bicycle from her house A to her club C via B. So A से B पे जाने के लिए first उसको A से M आना पड़ेगा, right? First she will be coming at point M. So point M पे आने के लिए दो horizontal और दो vertical उसको travel करना है. So in how many ways I can arrange the letter of this word? H, V, V. It would be 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, which is 6. That means A to M. A to M, she has 6 ways. A to M, she has 6 different shortest possible path. Now M से लेके N पे आने के लिए she has only one way. M से N पे अगर आना है तो उसको diagonal ही आना पड़ेगा M से N, right? Now N से P, so M से N there is only one way. M to N, she has only one way. M to N, she has only one way. Now if she want to come from N to B, so N से B आने के लिए how many horizontal? H, 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 H. 4 horizontal and 2 vertical. Now tell me, how many word you can make using the letter of the word? How many word you can make using the letter of the word? H, 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 V, V. It would be 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial. It would be 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial, which is 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial by 2 factorial, this cancel, this will 3, so it will be 15. So N से B आने के लिए she will be choosing 15 ways. That she has 15 different ways. Now write it down here. N से B आने के लिए she will have 15 different ways, right? Now A to M 6, M to N 1, N to B, she has 15 different ways to come. Now B से अभी उसको C जाना है, right? Now how will she go from B to C? Now the problem in the B to C is that first she needs to come prohibited region में उसको जाना नहीं है. So there is no way shortest के लिए पहले वो prohibited region को cross करे and then prohibited regions के ऊपर से जाए. That's not a shortest possible path. Shortest possible path अगर Neelam को choose करना है, that the only way is to go either in this direction or in this direction, because in this way also she is doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertical and 2 horizontal. In this way also she is doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertical and 2 horizontal. Now, but the problem is that she cannot first choose 2 horizontal. अगर 2 horizontal choose करेगी, then she will be end up coming across the prohibited region. So she need to reach first at this point or at this point. So पहले नीलम को you first need to bring Neelam at this point or at this point. Let's say these points are R and S. So now see that. Let's bring Neelam to R first. Now R पे जाने के लिए नीलम को how many verticals, कितने verticals करने पड़ेंगे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 verticals and 1 horizontal, right? Now 5 verticals or 1 horizontal. 5 verticals and 1 horizontal. Let me write it down over here. I have a shortage of space. I hope you can manage it. Now 5 verticals. This is vertical, right? 5 vertical and 1 horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 horizontal. This would be 6 factorial upon 5 factorial, that is 6 ways. So R पे आने के लिए 6 ways है. What about at point S? S पे आने के लिए she need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertical and 1 horizontal. 6 vertical, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertical and 1 horizontal. 6 vertical and 1 horizontal. What are the number of ways here? So this would be, so B to S, she has 7 factorial upon 6 factorial, that means 7 ways. Now, if she want to go from B to C, either will she go from B to R or she will go from B to S. Now, once she reach R, she has only one way to reach C, and once she reach S, she has only one way to reach C. That means the number of ways from B to C will be dependent on the number of ways depending whether she is reaching R or she is reaching S. Now B to R or B to S, right? The word that you need to use between B to R and B to S would be OR. That means 6 ways from B to R, 7 ways from B to S. So total ways from B to C would be 6 or 7. That means 13. So B to C, she have 13 ways to reach. Now finally, now what I'm supposed to find out is A to C via B, right? She first have to go A to M, then plus M to N, then N to B, then B to C, right? But the plus here is used for AND. The plus means here she is using the word A to M. C जाना है उसको, A to M जाएगा, and M to N जाएगी, and N to B, and B to C. So the final ways would be 6 into M to N 1 multiplied by N to B 15 multiplied by B to C, that is 13. That is 90 into 13, which is 1170, and that is the correct answer to the question, which is option number A. That's the correct answer. Right? A beautiful puzzle on counting the number of ways using the concept of permutation. This might be a concept on which CAT might ask a puzzle, right? A complete set. You should know this concept, right? Number of arranging, the letter of the words, right, is a basic concept of permutation that everybody should know, right? So there's the whole concept. I hope you got it. Thank you so much for watching the video. This is episode number 5. I'll be coming up with episode number 6 also very soon. So guys, please try the set again, right? If you are not able to understand it, try to get the concept of it. Try to grasp the concept behind it. इसका जो main concept है वो आपको अच्छे से आना चाहिए, because वो बाकी की puzzles में भी use हो सकता है. Now, guys, episode number 6 will be covering next. Bumper offer for CAT 2021 is going on. If you go for plus subscription for CAT 2021, you'll have to pay for 6 months subscription only, and also you can use my code LRDI Samir Live. This will give you a 10% off on plus subscription. If you use this code, you'll get 10% off in addition to this bumper offer. Also, there's a scholarship test coming up on the next Sunday where you can win scholarship from a pool of 55 lakh. Depending on your ranks, you'll be awarded these rewards. And also, you can use my referral code LRDI Smear Live for registration to this test. LRDI Smear Live. See you in the next part, guys. Thank you.